You're a beginner and you never made a sale. You never made money with affiliate marketing. Now that stops today, because today I'm going to show you two ways to do Jvzoo affiliate marketing. First way is a bit complicated, but second way is really simple. Literally only thing you need to do, you need to invest time and you need to invest work, and you will make money with Jvzoo affiliate marketing. So with that being said, let's start. Okay guys, you can successfully apply these methods on ClickBank, on Digistore24, Warrior Plus or any other affiliate network. But for the purpose of this video, I am going to use Jvzoo. So I'm here on Jvzoo Marketplace, and because we are talking about making money online and affiliate marketing, what I need to do, I need to click here on filters, and then for the category I am going to choose internet marketing and e-commerce. And then I'm going to click here on search. And when I scroll here I can find all the available products, and here you can see number of sales for each of these products. Here you can see conversion rate, here you can see earn per click, average price, here you can see refund rate. Now refund rate is really important. So for example, content reel premium, here you can see more than 1,000 sales. This product was sold more than 1,000 times. Refund rate is only 1%, which is really good. So this is a good product. Now to promote this product, what I need to do, I simply need to click here, and here I can see more information. Here you can see price is $40, affiliate commission is 50%. But here is the thing with Jvzoo, you actually need to ask for permission to promote each of these products. Now to do that, you can simply come here, and here you can say something like this, okay? So just copy this, and you can say something like this. Hi, my name is Zoran, I have 18,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I would like to promote your product. Or you can say, hey, my name is Michael, I have 10,000 followers on Twitter, and I would like to promote your product, something like that. And in 95% of cases, they will actually approve your request to promote their product. After that, just click here on to confirm that you are not a robot, click here, request approval, and that's it. And like I said, in 95% of cases, they will approve you to promote this product. So now when you have your product, next thing you need to do, you actually need to start promoting this product. And let me first show you this bit complicated method, and later I will show you that simple, really simple method. So first and bit complicated method is by creating bridge page. Now you can create bridge pages in System.io, in Kartra, ClickFunnels, on your WordPress website or wherever you want. But for the purpose of this video, I am going to use Google Sites. Now here I can say for title, I can say, so just actually go back here and let me just see, okay, content reel, I can copy that and I can add that in the title, okay, content reel. So let me just, and I will say review, okay, and actually I'm going to make this to be, let's just say, for example, to be white letters, okay? And I will make this to be, let's just say, for example, 30. And I will make it to be actually bigger. Let's just say, for example, to be 48. Okay, so let me just make this to be 48. For example, so let's just say 48. And actually, I'm going to make this to be wider, just like this. Content reel review, and now I actually need to write a review of this product. So to do that, there is actually a free software that you can use to write a review of this product. And for that, we are going to use ChatGPT. So here I can say something like this, okay? So let me just copy this. I already prepared this stuff to make this video not that long. So just press enter, and now ChatGPT will write automatically a review of this product here, contentreel.io. And this is a tip for you, because this article is written by a software. What you need to do, you need to check those articles always for plagiarism and also for grammatical errors. And this is how that review actually looks. So let me just copy this, Ctrl+C, and I will go back here on Google Sites, double click here, click here, and paste that here. And here you can add your call to action. You can say, so let me just go back here on their sales page just to check it out. And to access their sales page, I can simply click here, product page, and I will access their sales page where I can get more information. So for example, I can use this as my call to action. So I can simply copy this, go back on Google Sites, and I can paste that here, okay? And I will I'm going to move this here, okay? And I'm going to make this to be larger, okay? Let's just say, for example, to be 24. And all I have to do now is just highlight this, click on this little chain and add my Jvzoo affiliate link. And after that, all I have to do is just click here on publish, choose the domain name. So let's just say, for example, let's just say, for example, I'm going to use this here, okay? And I will go back here and paste that here, okay? And let me see, okay, it's not available. I just add 1, 2, 3. Okay, it is available. Click here on publish, and that's it. I published my review. And when I click here, view published website, I can see how this actually looks, and this is how it looks. So now what I need to do, I actually need to start driving traffic to my bridge page. And for that, I need this link here. So this is the first and bit complicated method. So what you need to do, you need to copy this link here and you need to share it on social media. You can share it on your Facebook fan page or you can share it on your Twitter page. But I would actually recommend you to share it on Twitter because on Twitter you have more reach, you have better reach. So just paste that here and of course add something. So let's just say, for example, I will say something like this, okay? Copy this and I'm going to paste that here. And all I have to do now, you just click here on tweet and that's it. I will share this on Twitter. And all you have to do is just start growing your Twitter followers. But to speed up that process, to reach even more people, what you can do is you can simply click here and then what you need to do, you need to go on a website called Add Me Fast and you need to register for a free account. And here on the left side, you can see all the ways that you can use to earn free credits. You can share Facebook posts, you can like Facebook posts, you can retweet Twitter tweets, watch YouTube videos, save Pinterest pins, and so on and so on. And when you earn at least 300 credits, what you need to do, you need to click here on add site or a link. And here you need to choose what you actually wish to do. I need Twitter retweets in this case, so let me just find Twitter retweets. Okay, Twitter retweets. Worldwide, if you want, you can leave it as a worldwide, or you can choose a specific country. For now, I will leave it worldwide. Twitter ID. So I need to go back on Twitter and I need to copy this number here. Control C, that is my Twitter ID. That is really important. And I am going to paste that here. Okay, total clicks, leave it as it is. Daily clicks, leave it as it is. Cost per click, you can, this basically means how many credits you will give to people when they retweet your tweet. So let's just say, for example, I will give them 20 credits. And all you have to do now, click here on Save Changes, and that's it. People will start retweeting your tweet here, and you will start getting traffic, you will start reaching people, people will start clicking on your link here, and they will start visiting your Google site, your bridge page, and they will start clicking on your affiliate link, on your call to action. Now, this is the first and bit complicated method. Second method is to share your affiliate link directly on Twitter or Facebook you don't need bridge page. My advice to you is to create bridge pages. But like I said, you can share direct affiliate links and then same thing. Just go back here on Add Me Fast and start earning credits and then exchange those credits for Facebook shares or for Twitter retweets and you will start driving traffic. But like I said, it is better if you actually make a bridge page and start sending traffic to your bridge page. Now this is a tip for you. You will probably need to spend at least 3,000 or 4,000 credits on Add Me Fast before you make your first sale. That is why I told you it takes time, it takes work. You will probably need 7 days to earn those 3,000 to 4,000 credits. But like I said, it is free. All you have to do is just invest some time and some work to earn those free credits by retweeting other people's tweets, sharing Facebook posts, watching YouTube videos, saving Pinterest pins. Like I said, in 1 week, you will earn those 3,000 to 4,000 credits and you can exchange those credits for Twitter retweets. And the more credits you have, the more retweets you will get, and the more traffic you will send to your bridge page, and the more sales you will make. Like I said, you will need to spend at least 3,000 or 4,000 credits before you make your first sale. So this is how you do Jvzoo affiliate marketing as a beginner in 2023.
That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.